Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to be styling a banty 10 different ways. Not the same banty, I'm going to use different banties. I just wanted to show you how versatile banties can be. It's also been highly requested, so let's get started. So the first way that you can wear a banty is layered under a v-neck cardigan, so it just does that little peek of the graphic. This is one of my favorite ways to wear it. Tucked into shorts, tights, the whole thing. I prefer to wear my hair up when I do this so that you can see the graphic a lot more clear. Let's accessorize. I think it needs some accessories. I think this goes with this look. And then we could add these little mini glasses that Urban gifted me. How cute is that, right? Just do a little close up. I just gotta show you these up close. Look how cute they are. They have like a reddish tint to them. I'll link them down below. The second way to layer a banty is to just chuck a tee on top of a button-up shirt and just have the collar peek through the little sleeves. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. Sometimes I think things are obvious, right? But sometimes they're not, so I'll just show the process. I still have my tights underneath to save time because I am not about to be putting on and removing tights. You know, that shit's a pain. Tuck both in as smoothly as possible. Sometimes I tuck them into my underwear if I have like those like boxer type of undies. Today I don't, so I'm just gonna tuck it into my pants. Then, if you want to add the sleeves, you can. Okay, after struggling for about 10 minutes, this is the best that I can do. But yeah, I think it's like an extra added touch when you also layer the sleeves on top. So, this is number 2. This is number 3. Layering an oversized button-up on top of a banty. My favorite way to wear this is with a baby tee underneath. I styled it here with my favorite skirt and Jade and Docs. Bangs were the move, am I right? Like, I feel like it makes everything so much cooler now that I have bangs. You can also do one of these if you want. A lot of these are for California fall, so I apologize. You know, like, we can actually get away with this. Wow, that's actually really cute. And if it gets colder, I'll just chuck on a big oversized coat that I have. So way number 4 is just over a dress with a collar. Specifically, I like it when it has a collar and it just sticks out. I think it's super cute. I cut this shirt kind of like this, whatever this shape is. I would do a tutorial, but I don't really have any more t-shirts to cut up. So literally, you know how you just chop up a shirt like just straight? You just curve. That's like the only difference. But anyway, yeah, this is way 3. If you want more definition in the waist, you can certainly just tighten it with the rubber band, like I'll show you guys. I wear this with like a non-cropped tee sometimes too, and I'll just cinch in the waist with the rubber band. You guys see, I tucked it in the back here. It looks kind of funky, but I really don't care. Whatever happens behind me is none of my business. Yeah, that's how you would layer on top of a dress. Way number 5 is under a dress. Let me get a little closer, you guys. You can see the little peek of the graphic underneath. I think this looks best when you layer under a dress that has like a v-neck or just square neck that's a little bit more open and can expose the graphic a little bit. I think that looks the best. Ooh, let's add some accessories. Let's really lean into the library punk aesthetic. Like, how cute is that? I would wear this to work. 6th way to wear a banty is as a dress, and you'll probably have to steal your partner's oversized banty. Whatever you gotta do, get yourself one at the thrift store. I'm wearing it with that skirt underneath, so if I have to bend down or something, I actually have something underneath and I won't be exposed to the world. I know this look is very like 2014, but I still think it's cute. This is perfect for like those really lazy days where you just don't want tight things touching your body. I think this is cuter than like the bike shorts. I don't like that look. I know maybe that makes me a hater, but I much prefer when it looks like you're not wearing pants at all. So just let me know what you guys think of this one. I forgot what number we're on, so I'm just gonna talk about it. For this look, you can chuck on any banty over a striped t-shirt, a turtleneck, a thermal, a hoodie even. The possibilities are endless, but I think this looks super sick. and just adds a little interest to an outfit. It keeps you warm too, which is a plus. Let me do a little close up. Like how cute is that, right? We got the little stripes just sticking out on the collar as well. Hear me out. I know this look isn't for everyone, and it's definitely a very Pinterest sort of look with the bloomers. But what I'm trying to get at is wearing a hyper feminine piece on the bottom and then a band-tee on top. I love the juxtaposition so much. I think it's a vibe. Sorry if you can hear people talking in the background. I can't control that. But anyway, yeah, I don't know, this is super cute. It's definitely outside my comfort zone, I will admit. These bottoms are actually for my Halloween costume. I'm gonna be a clown, but I'm like, why not make a look out of them before I splatter blood all over them? Let me know what you guys think of this look. Is it ugly? Also, your hyper feminine piece could be different than this. It could be like a frilly white skirt. It could be like, I don't know, pink shorts, glittery pants. I don't know, but you get the idea. To make it like extra Pinterest, let's put those like little mini glasses on. You cannot tell me that you haven't seen something similar on Pinterest. The next way to wear it is as a vest, and I'm going to show you guys how I kind of fix it up on camera in case you guys have any questions. But anyway, I fold it as much as I can inward. Try to flatten it so it's not all bulky. And I want the bottom to stick out like that, so that's where I'm gonna keep mine. Sorry if you could see the sweat on the upper lip. Anyway, so you're just gonna grab what you gathered in the back. I'm gonna do a little knot, and then you're gonna tuck that in. And you know, it's not gonna look perfect in the back, but it is what it is. And then in the front, you can kind of mess with it as much as you want. But yeah, I think this is cute as hell. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad in the back. I think the trick is to get a shirt that's not too oversized so it doesn't bulk up on you as much. But anyway, there it is. You could do it with whatever collared shirt you have laying around. I wish I had, oh, I have a brown one. Okay, I'm getting carried away. I'm already so exhausted. But anyway, there it is, layered as a vest. Can't go wrong. And that is a helicopter. So the 10th way to wear your band-tee is under a vest, and I'll be honest with you guys, this look is hanging on by a thread. I got this sent from Urban, and I chose a medium to large because I thought I would need room in the chest, but it ended up being really big, so I'm gonna exchange it for a small medium. I think it's freaking cute anyway. You know, if it fit properly, it'd be even better. Can't go wrong with this look. And obviously it should be a graphic that kind of peeks out on top here, because otherwise what's the point, right? Might as well just wear a white t-shirt underneath. Should we accessorize? What does it look like? Honestly, I'm struggling to move because I don't want to mess up the back that I have going on, but hey, that's kind of cute. With a black coat. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and found some of the tips helpful. If you want to keep seeing my face, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys at my next video.